Hola guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome as well. Today I'm going to show you a few items that I have here, and then I'm gonna have to run to my car and maybe finish this video in my car, or I might bring the items in. I don't know. It is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a great, fantastic weekend and a great start to your week. Don't mind my mess. I'm doing laundry. I'm just going through my stuff. Anyways, let me start showing you. Some things are not like fall related, but I bought them to use them for my fall decor. I need some pumpkins for my entryway because I'm like, I don't want to clutter my home because I wasn't even gonna decorate. You all know my story, and if you don't, my 33-year-old son passed away 8 months ago. And I wasn't gonna do anything, but my family tells me, you know, he knows you for loving to do things in your home, decorate and all that stuff. I'm sure he wouldn't want you to stop. So I'm trying to push my stuff out little by little, but at the same time, I'm doing it this time with a meaning, which I'm decorating my home to represent my son Joel. But anyways, I needed some pumpkins. I didn't really need them, but I wanted some pumpkins. And I got this one from Marshall's. This one was $9.99. I thought she was super cute and pretty and big. And look at the colors. I'm just going for neutrals and a little pop of like their rustic burnt orange. Just a little bit here and there. But I got this one. And I got this one that feels like a nice cozy sweater. Look at her, guys. Look at her. She's so fuzzy and soft. This was $7.99. Again, she's going in my entryway. I think they're going in my entryway like either stacked like this or something, or on top of each other, side by side. I don't know yet. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna use them up there. And I grabbed this one, $6.99. It's like a wooden, but it's not. I don't know what this is made out of. It's meant to look like a wood carved pumpkin. And I thought she was cute, and I love the color. And if I look a little red, guys, I just walked 10,000. Let me see if I say this right, honey, because the Latina me messes everything up. 10,182 steps. That's just my walk. Throughout the day, I walk a lot more, so I don't know. But that's like my walk that I leave my house with my bottled water, with my little trekking step thing on. And, you know, that's what I did. And so I showered, and I am, you know, I'm still a little rosy rose. I got shirts, little tank tops and stuff to work out, but that's, you know. And again, if you don't know my story, then every time I go by Joel, there's always a squirrel or two that love to touch my son's squirrel, and they get really close to me, like they just want to come and like hang out with this girl, like they want to just crawl on my leg and hang out with me. So now I put squirrel for Joel everywhere, and I put like little acorns, and this one was $5.99 at Marshall's, and look how cute. So cute. All right, so now I'm going to my car to show you guys the rest, because I do have other stuff that I hauled my other channel for J, like little Dollar Tree pumpkins and stuff that I'm gonna put like in a little jar. And a little cake stand. You know, I have little ideas here and there, but let me show you. Let me go to my car. Let me go to my car and show you the rest. I forgot to show you guys that I bought these at Target Dollar Spot, Bullseye. I don't know, they were $1, so I have them up here because I plan to decorate this next and show you guys, but I just wanted to see how they look here. And I do have the ones that light up as well, but I already hauled those, which is right here. But let me show you. This is how they look. Super pretty. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do here and share that video with you guys probably next. But yeah, just wanted to make sure I show you those. All right, I just brought my stuff in. I thought it would be easier. Anyways, so I'll show you Hobby Lobby. I am doing a lot of pop. Not a lot, but I'm doing pops of black because I just love them. I think I should go back and get some more of these. These were $3.99, 40% off. So they come out to $2.39. Super cute. I should have grabbed one more. And this is the pop of orange that I'm willing to incorporate to add to my home, because I love everybody's home with colors and I used to go all out, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But then I get tired. I get anxiety. I get frustrated seeing the same thing and so much. It just starts looking clutter. And I'm like, oh my God, I can't. And then I just want to take it down, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet. So again, this one's $2.39, but this is I love this color. If I'm gonna do a pop of orange, this will be the color that I will go with, because look how beautiful they look together. I love it. And then I'm gonna do like black and whites and neutrals and woods, you know. I forgot what I got here. Oh yes, and I got him. Look how cute he is. There was 3 of them. I should have got all 3 of them, but I don't even know where I'm gonna put him. So I was like, girl, slow your roll, slow your roll. You don't need all 3 of them. This one was I want to say he was $3.59. Yeah, because he was $5.99, $3.59. Isn't he cute? Like, I'm telling you, this is my vibe this year, okay? Well, that's the color I like every year, but normally when you do YouTube, you start following some trends, but there's nothing wrong with that. But you forget to, like, sometimes we forget. I'm speaking for me. Sometimes I forget who I am and what I like, and I start doing, oh, because it looks beautiful in someone else's home does not mean that I'm gonna love it the same way. It's gonna look beautiful in my home. So I need to stick to what I like. That way I can keep it longer, enjoy it, and then I'm not buying fall decor every year. I might add a piece here and there because I haven't really bought a lot of stuff this year. But anyways, so Pop Show, I went in there and I got my son Joel, because butterflies and squirrels are a big thing to us. It represents our Joel. And I got a blue. I'm gonna take this to his grave, and I'm gonna like put, you know, dig and then like stick it in there next to his headstone. And this was $5, 50% off, so $2.50. And this is one of Joel's favorite colors, blue. So I got him that. Hobby Lobby, they have Christmas stuff, and they were 40% off. And I grabbed these because I might even incorporate them for fall. I'm not sure yet, but if I like it somewhere, it's going to go in there. But these are Christmas stamps, and they were 40% off. They were $2.99, and it does say Christmas there. Focus, girlfriend, focus. Not on my face. But anyways, $2.99. I don't remember how much they were, but 40%. And I got this because I thought it was, even though it's not fall, I think I can incorporate it with fall. This was $2.50. I can stack them on top of like black books or something and put a cute little like orange pumpkin next to it or something, you know, like give it some height and stick it like that. Like I said, you don't have to buy everything fall. You can just put little extra things in a little pumpkin, and it'll make a big difference. And I got these cute little houses. These were Halloween. They had them for Halloween. That's why they got a purple tag. But I'm not going to use them for Halloween. I'm going to use them because I really don't decorate for Halloween. I'm going to use them for fall and Christmas. Look how cute. 5 and 3. These were regular price. So I'm gonna use these. I'm trying to show you guys. And at first I thought they were maybe like taper, like candle holders, but it didn't say anything like that. It just says decor for table. Or maybe it is, but it doesn't say it. Anyways, you can use them for candles. That would look super cute, but I'm just gonna use them like a house with a little chimney. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna use them for fall and Christmas for sure. And then, because all my decor this year, I'm sorry about, stop it, girl. I'm sorry about all the crumbling. I'm dedicating all my decor to like my son. So I'm bringing like, you know, like this, for example. This black truck was at Dollar General. And green ticket today was half off. Well, not today, but you know, it was half off. So she came out to $5, and I thought, how cool, like if for Christmas I want to put Christmas trees back here, or even a little squirrel holding a little Christmas tree or something, you know, or I want to like put butterflies flying off of it or whatever, you know, to represent my son, because my son loved all cars, motorcycles, whatever. My son passed away due to a traumatic brain injury, and so I'm gonna put anything that represents Joel. That's what I'm gonna do. I could put a green heart, anything, because TBI is green, the color is green. I can put like any, you know, like I said. So it's going to be for fall, and I can use this for Christmas, fall. I can put hearts for Valentine, you know. I can put Easter eggs and Easter bunny with Joel's picture, you know. And this was at Dollar General as well. I think this one was $3 or $1.70. Anyways, it was $6. But again, they had a whole bin with a lot of stuff. I need to mess with her a little bit, but she's going to like my cabinet. And I thought how cute if I add little pumpkins for fall, you know. I have a lot of this stuff around my house on a regular, because this is my kind of decor. Even though this is a little plasticky, I like more like the pampas grass. But it's okay. You can add little neutral pumpkins to it and make it, you know, make it fall. Make it your own. And I'm going to put this like on my little 2 cabinet doors above my stove. Then I just bought these coffee little from Pop Show. These were $1. 16-ounce Ripple hot cups, like to go. And I got them for my coffee in the morning, because that way it's easy. I can just dump it out of my car. I don't have to drive back and forth with 5 cups in my car, because I'm drinking from my cups at my home. But that is it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you and share with you. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think about my stuff. Would you incorporate it for fall as well, even though it is not? Let me know. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to please subscribe. Help this girl grow this channel. Be kind to one another. Have an amazing week, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.